these delegations which have gone abroad and all, now that they're coming back, धीरे धीरे करके वापस आ रहे हैं, मनीष तिवारी हो जाए, प्रियंका
एक तो
चतुर्वेदी हो
ओवैसी
जाए,
साहब को आप जहां भी हैं,
हाँ,
आप जहां भी
Listen, this is
Amazing.
a huge
Manish
gratitude
Tiwari.
to Manish Tiwari,
Yeah.
Shashi
नहीं,
Tharoor,
Asaduddin
Salman
साहब,
Khurshid,
Asaduddin
Anand
साहब.
Sharma,
Yeah.
Asaduddin.
Milind Deora,
Milind.
Ghulam Nabi
Priyanka
Azad,
Azad.
Priyanka
Ghulam-
Chaturvedi,
Priyanka Chaturvedi.
all of these people.
Asad.
Abhishek Banerjee,
Yeah.
Abhishek Banerjee.
Abhishek was excellent.
Yeah,
Abhishek was
round of applause.
excellent.
Asaduddin
Was-
Owaisi.
Asaduddin
Eknath
Owaisi,
Shinde's son.
today, for all these
Shrikant Shinde, yes.
all these fellows who go keep calling him Pakistani.
Milind Deora, yeah.
अब मुंह कहाँ दिखाओगे? He's done more service for the country in the last week
Quite
or so
amazing. But
than
okay,
most.
so now what's going to happen is that as soon as they come back, they have to do their domestic
Yes.
politics,
हाँ.
Which they
and
will.
then the social media will do this whole playing back. देखा वहाँ पे ये किया, यहाँ पे ये कर रहे हैं.
But they were
It's
not
acceptable.
representing Modi or
True.
BJP.
Agree.
They were representing India.
और
Agreed.
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ ये मोदी का ट्रूली अगर 11 साल में एक मास्टर स्ट्रोक है तो वो ये था.
But you know,
And also the former foreign service
नहीं
officials
यार,
who went
मोदी
along with
का-
the teams. Let's give
मोदी
them
का ये
also.
स्टेट्समैनशिप था to pick up good articulate people
Voices
even though they were from the opposition. But
was a
look,
great step.
somebody who has known Manish Tiwari, I think you have known him for many years. I have known him for many
Did
years.
an amazing job.
He is a congressman, fine. That's his politics, fine. He does not agree with the BJP, fine. Why should everybody agree
Yeah,
with the
exactly.
BJP?
Yeah.
But when it comes to India's national interest, the guy has always stood up.
Salman
He's a stand-up
Khurshid,
guy.
But understand
Salman
that is what
Khurshid
the
was
Congress
so
has
good.
always been.
Yeah.
You understand?
Nationalist,
They've been.
yeah.
It's called the Indian National Congress.
So-
They taught us nationalism. Yeah.
Didn't-
My issue is this current bunch, this current cabal have turned totally bloody international.
Didn't Narsimha Rao send Vajpayee
Vajpayee
along
Yeah.
with Salman Khurshid?
Vajpayee and
So
Salman Khurshid.
people like Salman, look, I have 500,000 disagreements with Asaduddin Owaisi, right? But if the guy is a stand-up guy when the national interest is concerned,
That's it,
I will
period.
still have opposition. He will still oppose me. I will still oppose him. He will have a problem with a lot of things. We will all have problems.
I think the
we will
entire
keep fighting
right
with
wing-
Waris Pathan on every day on television, and yet. When it comes down to everybody standing together to
Desh.
hold up the national flag, my problem with people within the Congress party, those carping sounds, they behaved really well for the first 5-6 days, after which they went back.
They're
And
disintegrated
they raised issues which they should not have.
So will they
can
get
raise
punished?
many other issues.
So
But
do you think that the High Command is going to be magnanimous, or will these guys who went
Unforgiving.
be?
In fact, they'll punish Shashi Tharoor now.
They will punish Shashi Tharoor. They will probably punish Manish Tiwari.
Salman Khurshid को तो already.
they'll sideline them if nothing else. खुड्डे
Okay.
लाइन लगा देंगे.
So will the BJP then give a safety net saying तुम इस तरफ आ जाओ, and will they do that?
So, no, again,
Tehsil को बोलने दो, हाँ.
there are individual cases.
Yeah.
Dr. Tharoor's case will be different from Manish's case, will be different from somebody else's case because of how the BJP is also structured in Punjab or Kerala, etc. So that's not important. But I agree with what you say. When you go abroad, you're representing India. You're not representing Mr. Modi or Mr. Gandhi or anybody. You're just representing the tricolor. So you speak for the tricolor. I may have 100 differences, but you stand up for your country.
which is something which also Mr. Modi should also take to, I think it's a lesson also for him that when he goes and he is going as the Prime Minister of India,
Don't do domestic politics.
Yeah, don't
in
do
fact,
domestic
In fact, I
politics
also thought that while Abhishek Banerjee was abroad, the Home Minister should not have brought up that Mamata Banerjee is appeasing Muslims by opposing Operation Sindoor. So I think we should let go of this when these delegations are there. So those are internal things. I think their politics will continue when they come back. I would hope and I would pray that the Congress looks at it from the point of view, as what Abhijit rightly said, of being the Indian National Congress. Most Congress voters would go the way of Shashi Tharoor, Salman Khurshid, Manish Tiwari. That's what the Congress is. I mean, and I'm going to share one thing which is I've not told this to anyone. So I was doing a lot of interviews at that time, one-on-one, and obviously supporting Operation Sindoor. I got a message from the highest officers saying that, congratulations, you've done a good job. And for them to notice it, I think it's phenomenal. Because
You're not talking about the Congress right now.
No. I'm talking about the government.
Oh, the Congress.
The
No,
government.
I thought from the government.
From the government.
Yeah, from the government.
From the government.
Yeah, because I was on Operation
I'm just
Sindoor. I also
clarifying
wrote
it so in
Yeah.
case people get confused.
No,
yeah.
from the government. So I think, look, I have a million differences with the BJP and I'll fight with them till my last breath. But I just think Operation Sindoor reset the narrative and I loved it. So I think that's the way you should be. You should only put the country first. And if you go against that sentiment, then you will have a very heavy political price to pay.
Will it? That's what I
They
want to
will
know.
not be able to. I think what's happening is because of certain
Unless you have
state
an
politics
entrenched
from
voter
where
base, then it's difficult.
Look, I don't know because
Owaisi has an entrenched voter base. He didn't need to do
no,
it.
no. Once again, why,
See,
and what is this
Owaisi has
nonsense that
nothing
Muslims
to
wants
prove.
to?
Rahul has something to prove
To who?
to his own voter base.
No. Once again, the voter.
I don't think Rahul's voter base.
Rahul's
Iron
base is not a
voter.
captive base.
Floating.
Yeah,
No,
look,
I-
the only,
Rahul's base is not a captive-
people,
No,
the
Owaisi's
only
base is a
people,
captive
the
base.
only people who have gone after Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari, a lot of others who have gone from the opposition, the only people who have gone after them are the Pakistanis, who never expected something like this. And there is a certain bunch of people within this
No.
country.
The official spokesperson, Jairam Ramesh, said that whatever Shashi Tharoor
Udit
says
Raj.
is his own point of view. Udit Raj went
So I
against
said
Shashi Tharoor.
a certain
It's not
bunch
just
of-
Pakistan.
Arey,
I
Pawan
said a
Khera
certain
tagged
bunch-
Shashi Tharoor
Yeah,
and
yeah,
some,
I-
nonsense.
like
Udit
I
Raj
said-
said that I will speak to the Prime Minister. He'll make you foreign minister before he lands
a
here.
And they wouldn't
certain
have done
bunch-
it unless
Yeah.
it was certified
Like
by
I said,
Rahul.
a certain bunch of people out here.
Yeah.
I didn't necessarily name the parties or.
No, his own
there
party.
There are journalists. There are
Is
politicians.
it going to be untenable for Tharoor to continue in the Congress?
No, I think Dr. Tharoor will
So
not.
unless
leave
Rahul Gandhi's vote base is in Pakistan, I don't know how he protects his vote base by going against a national mood.
Well, I mean,
Is it a national
that
mood?
does he even
It is
think it's a national?
It is a
mood?
national. mood.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.